Hi, preparatory stage. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today, it will be this video about practicing on reading. Next class, I will make a video about conversation between two persons, but today it will be our video today is text, how to read the text to understand what we read. Then next class, I will make you a conversation to practice how to practice you for improving your language by conversation and by reading text. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I have texts, and I will read to you to practice you how to read the text and understand the text you're reading, because it's important to read and understand what we're reading. The first text today is about new inventions. Okay, let's read this text. I select short text because I would like to understand it and not to be bored from the video. Okay, to read short sentence and to know how to write it, because it's not great to write much sentence without meaning. So short sentence with meaning is more benefit than long sentence. Okay, so we must know this. Let's read this text together. New inventions. Inventions are very important because they make our life easier and better. I think all of us know the inventions, the modern technology that now invented for comforting us, like what? Like laptops, like mobile phones, like laptops, like tablets, and all these called inventions that make us and also have things that we use in home make life easier. Okay, so these inventions are very important for us because they make our life easier and better. Scientists work hard to invent new things. I think they will invent new headphones. Later, they will invent new headphones. I think headphones, modern headphones, not the headphones that familiar as modern headphones. These headphones can translate any language. So we can put the word. Then these headphones can translate you any word, like what, like Google Translate. I think so. When these headphones hear another language, they can translate it into your language. I also think they will invent a new machine that can push you into the air at the speed of a fast car. I think now it's clear. New machine that can push you into the air at the speed of the fast car, speed of the car fast, okay, speed of car. It's half motorbike and half helicopter, half motorbike and half helicopter. They will probably invent a new jacket. It's a clever jacket. It uses to make you warmer when the weather is cold. There will also be new there will be new roads. They will change roads into solar panels. The roads use strong glass that you can drive on and make electricity at the same time. New inventions will have a great effect in our life. New inventions will have a great effect on our life. Let's go to another text. Today it will be 4 text only. Okay, I will read 4 text only. I think it's enough to know more vocab. Okay, if you read more and more, you can improve. You can enrich your language. Okay. The English improved by reading and listening. You must read and listening more and more preparatory, okay? Because later we will be in secondary stage, so your language must be improved. Let's read this text together. Problems with technology. So now we talk about the technology, and this is the problems of technology. Let's read it. Let's read this text together. Technology has made life much better and easier. it's hard to live without modern technology, such as the internet, the mobile phones, the video games, and technological wonders. I would like to say that's important, but if you are sitting all the day on the cell phone, it's paid, okay? You must do anything. You must do anything perfect, okay? Thirdly, many people start facing problems when they use technology for a long time. This is the first problem of modern technology. We can call it technology addiction. Okay, addiction. Addiction is not for addiction drugs. The addiction is anything that we do it daily or don't stop it. So it's addiction. We can say technology addiction. We can say riding. We can say anything doing more and more. So it's addiction. Okay. We can also, if you're smoking and don't stop smoking, it's addiction. Okay, so here addiction is taught for everything that we do without stopping. Okay, most young people are addicted to their phones. They spend too much time using social media. They also spend a long time playing video games online. Many people had been addicted to using internet for a long time. They may give them headaches. Headaches means headaches means head have pain in head. Okay. In addition, they can waste their time doing useless things. So we should be careful while we are using technology. Okay. Let's go to another text. I will go to another text in another book. There is a review of natural wonders in Egypt. Let's read it together. Egypt has a lot of attractive natural places like deserts, green lands, and natural pools. I visited El Nizek Beach and Jabal Alba last summer. El Nizek Beach is an amazing natural wonder. I give 5 stars. It's called the Shooting Star by the locals with a total area of over 5,000 meters. In Nizek Lake is famous for pure water. The lake attracts hundreds of tourists from all over the world, where they are able to dive and swim. Because I think dive and swim, we took it before in academic year. I think it's not difficult. Okay. Because it's safe, clean water. Jabal Alba, which is surrounded only by green fields, it's one of Egypt's most wonderful places. The Jabal Alba Natural Park is in the southeast of country. Although the Jabal Alba National Park has a lot to offer. It's not visit very often. I highly recommend visiting it. Let's go to another text here. And I will, as we told you, 4 texts today, okay? Then next class, I will make a video about conversation, okay? I will give you a dialogue and I will read it to you between 2 persons, okay? Here is a desert life. Let's read it together. Life in deserts, hard because there is not much food or water. However, plants, animals, people found a way to live in desert. There are not many animals in the desert, but some animals are able to live in that hard habitat. I think we took the fox that live in this habitat was called the fennec fox. I think fennec fox. Fennec fox is the one of the animals that live in the desert. Examples of animals that live in deserts are lizards, snakes, and camels. Small animals such as lizards live underground to avoid heat. They only come out at night to look for food. Like desert plants, desert animals can live as little water as possible. Why? Because there isn't water. The camel, what the camel do in in the desert? Camel can store the water and food on your stomach, in its stomach, because there isn't water and food in the desert. So camels store their foods and the water in its stomachs. Okay, most of the water used by these animals comes from seeds that hold and keep water. Camels can live in hot desert by storing. Here I told you during the text, I tell you, by storing water in their bodies. They have white feet, so they don't sink. Into the ground. Into the ground. Life is really difficult in the desert, but it isn't impossible. By this text, we end from our video. I hope to enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.